internet, it's Liv. So today I was gonna make an outside video, but Seattle being the butthead it is, it decided to pour buckets on only Seattle because the world hates us. So it decided to rain. I don't know why it decided to rain, but it decided to rain. So instead, I have a video of what can you do on a rainy, boring ass day on a Saturday. I mean, Saturdays are like party, go out, have fun and everything. Not when it's raining. So here's a little thing that you can do when it's raining on a Saturday. How are you? Am I? Yeah. Pretty good. That's good. Yeah. How's life?
Yeah.
Do you even like this show?
What are we fucking watching?
What are you watching?
I think it's like a maker show.
So, babe.
What's up with you?
How's the pasta that you haven't been sharing?
Find out for yourself.
Very nice.
Mind sharing?
Down. Time! Fricker. Oh, leftover! That's out of stock. I'm done. I'm so done. Ricky, let's go check out Ricky. Favorite, very sweet. Oh my God, Santa, look at the time! It's 9:32. 9:32. We're supposed to have been asleep 2 minutes ago. What if my parents get mad? Oh. You're comfortable. What am I doing with my life? All I do is go get Taco Bell and eat food. There's nothing wrong with that, I don't think. Hey guys, hope you liked the video. That was just the top 8 things I do when I'm bored. Fun stuff. It's still pouring rain outside. So yeah, anyways, comment, subscribe, tell me what would you guys do on rainy Saturdays? What do you guys like to do on Saturdays in general? Let me know. You can tweet me. Links are below. See ya!